choosing the right partner is one of the most crucial decisions that someone would ever make. And I can't thank God enough for giving me the best partner ever. That's you. You're not just a partner. You are my best friend, my clown, my partner in the ministry, my comforter, my rock and my inspiration. You are the most genuine person I've ever met, and I couldn't thank you enough for that. I am a witness on how God has worked in your life, and I'm proud of you.
I promise na tutuparin ko yung pangako ko sa Panginoon at sa iyo. I will cherish you, treat you tenderly. I will seek you above all else. I will understand your sensitivity, and I will respect and honor you. Mahal kita. Mamahalin kita habang buhay. Gagawin ko lahat para sa iyo at ikaw lang ang iibigin ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
I trust God that He will work through you in leading the family that we are going to create. I trust you that you will take care of me and the future kids because that's what you're good at. I will submit to you in the Lord and be your number one supporter. I will be careful with my words and I will do my best to speak positively as I value what you feel. I will take care of you just how you take good care of me. And I will be your strength when you feel weak. I love you more each day and I will love you endlessly. You are my greatest blessing. Mahal na mahal kita.
Nakakaloka.
Di makapaniwala.
Nandyan lahat.
Di tumaling kay bathala. Nandito ka na.
Isa lang naman eh. Nung una, sabi ko sa Panginoon, gusto ko lang mabigyan ng maayos
Yes, sir.
na buhay yung pamilya ko at maayos na buhay yung mapapangasawa ko. Gusto ko lang ng simpleng buhay. And yet, nandito na kami sa starting point na magpapakasal na kami. And ang pinag-pray ko, yun nga, is maging maayos yung wedding at maging maayos yung samahan namin near in the future.
Mananatili kayo sa pananalangin at kung ano man dumating na mga pagsubok ay laging dalhin sa Panginoon. Salamat sa sabi ko sa iyo. Hira mo na ko.
Konti na lang, matatapos na rin.
I am thankful for your unwavering efforts, especially during wedding preparation. For being hands-on since day one. Tama nga sila. Talaga nakakasubok ng relationship ang wedding prep. But because of these circumstances, I am reminded of my role in your life. In times of difficulty, I will be your support. In times of wrong decisions, I will be your source of encouragement. In times of winning, I will celebrate with you. Of course, all the praises belong to God.
Mahal ko, mahal na mahal kita. Mamahalin kita habang buhay. Gagawin ko lahat para sa iyo at ikaw lang iibigin ko.
Babaunin at i-apply ko mga bagay na natutunan ko sa inyo kung paano nyo kami pinalaki. You are the best of all, the best papa ever.
Huwag ka nang umiyak. Ay, sira na atang makeup eh.
Words cannot express how grateful I am for the journey that we've been through as we waited and prayed for this day. You are my unspoken prayer request, turned into a beautiful answered prayer. in God's perfect time. I have been independent for so long, but you made me feel that it also feels great to have someone to depend on. Thank you for giving us a beautiful home. Sobrang saya ng pamilya natin, lalo na magkakasama pa tayo, mainly because you set a good example on how to love each other genuinely.
Makita at maging proud ka sa biyaya ng Diyos na binigay sa iyo. At nakikita ko yan sa inyong mga mata, sa inyong mga itsura. I tell you, God will bless your life.